There's a look at live Viper radar, and you can see that we still have some rain pushing in across Okeechobee at this point. We also have some showers popping up on the northern side of the lake and also the southern side of the lake, and also around Fellsmere, some light showers. This was earlier storms. Palm Beach County, you have to get into Belglade and around Clewiston to get some rainfall there. Looks like a quiet night. Now, there's the system that's in the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to push across Florida the next 24 hours. So we're on the soggy side of this through about this time tomorrow night, and then we'll start to see some drier air push in. There's the wider view. This is a real soggy weather maker that last week looked like it was going to develop into something, but there's so much shear going on here that it's going to have a tough time doing it. Here is your forecast into the evening, hour by hour. Temperatures will be cooling off just a little bit, but we are looking at the rain firing up once again as we get into tomorrow morning just before sunrise, and I think it's going to be a soggy morning commute. Vipercast shows a few late night showers on the way. Tomorrow morning, there are showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder, but as the day wears on, about this time tomorrow night, some drier air pulls in once again, and we'll start to see some clearing working in for tomorrow night. Well, you won't see this. It's the bright full moon in the sky tonight. This is the full moon for June. It's nicknamed the Strawberry Moon, and moonrise is a little after 8 o'clock tonight, but it is so cloudy out there. I don't think we're going to get a chance to see it. We're on for warmer weather, not so much tomorrow, but Thursday and into the weekend. We climb up into the high 80s and low 90s, so AC needed getting into Saturday and Sunday. Wave heights haven't been too bad. Beach and boating conditions have been better in the morning, but tomorrow I think we're going to see a flip-flop of that. I think morning showers and, again, some rain. And then by the afternoon, a little bit brighter conditions working in. Seas 2 to 4 tomorrow. 74 tonight, cloudy and humid. As I said, if you're heading out this evening, you're okay as far as dry weather, but overnight rain on the way. Tomorrow's forecast high looking at 84, mostly cloudy, showers and storms. The best rain chances are earlier rather than later, and limited amounts of sunshine tomorrow. And the 7-day forecast has a wet weather pattern right into the weekend. There will be some sunshine, but there'll also be pretty good rain chances through the weekend and even next week, too. Looks like we're in for some soaking rains, making those lawns and gardens green.